Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Apple's got a special surprise in store for Pride Month. Folks, Watchwire News has the scoop on Apple's 2025 Pride Edition Sport Band, and we're excited to dive into the details. First off, let's talk about the Pride Edition Sport Band itself. It's available to order today on Apple.com and in the Apple Store app. But what really sets this band apart is its unique design. Each Pride Edition Sport Band is hand-assembled from individual stripes of vibrant color that are compression molded together, creating subtle yet striking variations. And here's the best part. No two bands are exactly alike, reflecting the individuality of all members of the LGBTQ+ community. Now, I know what you're thinking. How does this look on the watch? Well, Watchwire News has got some inside info for you. The new Pride Harmony watch face is dynamic and bold, featuring rainbow stripes that shift in sequence across the display to form large hour numerals as users raise their wrists. It's a real showstopper, folks. But wait, there's more. Apple's also introducing new iPhone and iPad wallpapers that feature colors that change position as you move, lock, or unlock your device. And if all that wasn't enough, Watchwire News has learned that Apple is proudly financially supporting organizations that serve LGBTQ+ communities. It's clear that Apple is committed to celebrating the strength and beauty of LGBTQ+ communities around the world, even in a time when some tech companies might be retreating from their commitments to environmental and LGBT+ causes. And with the Pride Edition Sport Band starting at just $49, it's an affordable way for anyone to show their support. So if you're looking for a special way to celebrate Pride Month this year, Watchwire News recommends checking out Apple's new Pride Edition Sport Band and watching face. Trust us, you won't be disappointed.